Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing one of the best video editing platforms which can be very useful for a content creator. So let's start the video. But before starting, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. InVideo helps you to create professional videos from premium templates, images and videos. You can create professional videos for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and other social media platforms. Videos can be like video ads, stories, etc. Click the link below in the description to open invideo.io. After you open the site, you have several options like login, sign up. You can sign up here for free. I already have an account, so I will log in. After you have successfully signed up, you have three main options. I want to convert article to video, that is create a video with article, blogs or script. Then you have create promos, social videos, video ads and more with pre-made templates. And third is start from scratch. If you are a professional video editor, then you can start from scratch. This website is basically useful for those people who don't have proper resources or proper system for video editing, and also for corporate companies who are willing to advertise their product without spending too much. So in this tutorial I would be just making a simple intro for my YouTube channel. So I will go for the second option. So let's start from this side. Here you will get different options like favorite, categories. There are plenty of categories in this list. You can choose anyone like Facebook ads, Facebook stories, Facebook videos. You can create videos for these things. So here I have found intros and outros. So I will click on this and you have different templates available here. Now when you click on all, you can find thousands of templates available here. You can choose any one to proceed with. So now coming back to intros and outros. Here are some templates which we can proceed with. I would like to go with this template, so I will click on this. But before, you can see here options like my project. After you click here, you can see all your projects line by line. Next option is share and earn. You can also share links with this with your account to earn some commissions. You can click on create to create a new project. So now let's click on this template. As you can see the preview over here. Next you have the template name. You can make it as your favorite template. You can share this and you can also select the ratio. If there are different ratios available, you can also select them. Otherwise it is available for 16:9 wide ratio. you can use this video on YouTube and Facebook. One more thing particularly liked about this site is that the images and the audios that is being used is copyright free. You can use them in any of your contents or websites anywhere. Now we will click on start with this template. Another interesting thing about this website is you get 24/7 quick support over here. As you can see a message box here, you will click here. If you have any query, you can ask them and they are ready to help. So now this is the editor, and as you can see, this is a premium feature available with my ID. You can also sign up for premium features and you can purchase them, which I would be telling about in the end of the video. So as you can see here on the left side, you have options like media. You can also upload your videos, your images and text over here. There is music, text. There are different text options that you can use on your project. Stickers, effects, shapes, enhancer, etc. On clicking on upload, you can upload your media files. Now I will click on this logo to replace with my YouTube logo. After I have selected, there are several options like delete, back, front. You can use this image in the back as well as in the front. I will delete this image. And now I will upload my image. Now I will upload my channel logo. Okay, the channel logo has been uploaded. Now I will use this in the video. Now when you drag your image, you will find three options: replace, add behind, add as layer. So I don't want to replace the background image, so I will not use replace, and also I don't want to add it behind, so I will use it as a layer. So now I have to resize the image. You can edit the text by double clicking on it. Now I think my project is ready. So I will again preview this. So here you can check several options like video edit, playback speed. If you want to cut, crop, trim the frame, then you can use the video edit option. You can also adjust the speed of the playback. You can resize the video, etc. So now when you think your project is ready, then click on preview and export. So as you can see, my project is ready and I am quite satisfied with this. So I will click on export video. So depending upon your project, it may take some time. If your project is long, then it will take quite some time, and if your project is short, then it will just finish it within minutes. So you can see these are the projects that I recently did. This is the current one, and this is the project which I just tried to see how this site works. As you can see, it is processing. So now while it is processing, I will talk about the pricing of this website. So InVideo offers you two packages, which is one professional and other is business. Professional one cost you around $4, which can be paid annually at $48. But the most popular, which is business plan, you can get it for around $15. The original plan value was $30, but after putting 50% of discount, you can get it for $15, and annually the bill will be $180. But wait a second, So if you use the coupon from our description, or if you use the link from our description, you can get a flat 25% of discount from my link. So as per my recommendation, the business plan would be much profitable and much useful for content creators or for corporate companies. So while we were discussing about the pricing, our project has been completed. Now so using this site has some benefits, like you don't need expensive system PCs to edit your videos, and you don't need to go to some professionals to make some videos, stories and video ads, etc. You can make it yourself. So our video has been downloaded. Now we will click on this and see. So you can see it is nice. So like this you can also create your own professional video with InVideo.io. So a special thanks to InVideo.io for sponsoring this video, and hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.